At the end of Mason Creek Road, we found a boat ramp to splash around in. Hey there! If you're new to Xander's channel, welcome! We hope you'll consider subscribing. Also, we'd appreciate if you'd put a paw on that thumbs up button. Feel free to leave a comment for us and share the video. I have to admit, sharing our playtime with a bunch of buzzards was a little bit creepy, but they kept to themselves. On our way home, we stopped at Mango Tango's for some fries and a brew. If you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click that subscribe button. Also, put a paw on that thumbs up button, leave a comment for us, and share the video. Until next time, we hope you can get out in nature and have yourself a happy day too.